Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the front page in Elementor so you can edit visually. Click Pages in WordPress and find the page set as your home page, then choose Edit with Elementor. Once done, allow the editor to load completely. Incomplete loads cause missing widgets. Make sure you switch to the correct responsive preview and confirm you have a recent backup or revision saved so you can revert if you make a layout mistake. You now edit the content and structure by selecting sections or individual widgets. Use the navigator to find nested items quickly. Change column widths and padding to control spacing, and open each widget settings to update text, links, or images. Once you tweak style settings, choose whether to apply global colors and fonts or override them locally. Consistency matters to avoid conflicting styles. If you need a new section, drag a block from the panel and position it where you want. You finish by saving your work and testing across devices. Click Update and use Preview for desktop, tablet, and mobile to confirm responsiveness. If changes don't appear, clear WordPress, plugin and CDN caches and reload. Make sure to test links and load times. If a layout breaks, restore a revision from Elementor's history or your backup. This prevents downtime. One troubleshooting tip: disable plugins temporarily to identify conflicts, often caching or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.